Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a good Thursday. Thank you for logging into math and completing your work. Today, you have two things on your agenda to complete. So once I post this, it'll be the top post in your stream. You're going to answer the questions for winter day 29 in your binder. There's no Google form to fill out with this, but you will be expected to complete this in your binder, and I will be checking on Monday when I see you next. The second item is we are working on equivalent fractions models on a Google slide. So we just started this lesson yesterday in class. So we're going to build a little more of our background knowledge on equivalent fractions. So if you click on the link, it'll take you to 4 Google slides that you will be expected to complete for your lesson today. The directions say to drag and drop the rectangles to color in the proper fraction, then write the equivalent fraction. So you have your models on the left here, just like the models we did in class yesterday. And then you have the fractions that you'll be filling in on the right here. So once you read your fraction, you have 1/3 here. I'm going to make 1/3 on this side. Remember, 1 is our numerator and 3 total pieces. That's how we got 1/3 over here. Now, this fraction is going to have a different denominator. So if you look over here, it's split into 6. And we know that because there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So you are going to click and drag the amount of rectangles it takes to make a fraction that's equivalent to 1/3. So it looks like it took me two rectangles to make a fraction that's equivalent to 1/3 up here. We want the same amount of space filled in, not the same number of rectangles. So I just made the fraction 2/6. So what I'll do is type in 2 here to make 2/6. You're going to repeat that process for the next 2 fractions that you see here. Remember, to get your denominator, you need to count the total amount of pieces in your model. To get your numerator, first you need to click and drag, and then you will count the total number of pieces for your numerator. For slide 2, it's the same activity, only we're working with 3/4. So when you first start, you're going to click and drag 3 pieces to make your numerator of 3 out of the 4 total pieces. Finish those ones for slide 2. Slide 3, you are going to do a similar activity. You're going to drag and drop the rectangles to color in the proper fractions and then write your equivalent fraction. So this time you are comparing the fractions on the left to the fractions on the right. So you will make 1/2 here. Then you need to click and drag your squares here until you have an equal amount on top. Repeat those steps for the next 3 fractions. And the same thing for slide 4. Once you have finished all 4 of your slides, you'll go back to the post and click Turn In, and then you're done for today. Please email me if you have any questions. My email is linked in the post for today. I will also be in office hours at More Help at 1:25. Good luck.